guys, I have been made this video in English because this message should go to everyone. In somebody don't know Kannada, somebody don't know Hindi, this should not come to this one. This message should be perfectly gone to every ears. So I made this video in English, and this is a very bad thing that we do in Indian culture. We do puja in excess way. That's not a good thing, and it should not be done. That milk we do abhishekam for the lingu in excess way, that can be given for any beggar's child. They'll have some thing to eat, and they'll quench their thirst and quench their hunger. So why do we waste this? Hi guys, it's me Red Rider Amar. Today guys, I have been making this video to explain you guys why we do abhishekam for Shivalingu. Shivalingu we do abhishekam for that one is to even Rudraksham is also put in the milk and ghee for one day 24 hours before using it, and we should do it simultaneously, means it will have a period of time for doing it. At that time we should be doing means we should put that one that Rudraksham into the milk, and after that no, first in ghee we should put, after that we should put in milk. Why we are doing that means it should not crack the Rudraksham which we wear. The Rudraksham which we wear should not crack, and it will break up because of our heat. And if you keep out also, you leave like that also, it will crack because the heat is there in the atmosphere, and in our body it's excess, so it will crack. So if the moist conduct inside the Rudraksham, it will maintain the moist conduct. The moist conduct will not leave the Rudraksham to crack. When if there is no water conduct or the moist conduct, anything will crack. So to maintain the consistency of the water level or the moist conduct, we keep this one into milk or ghee. The fatty conduct maintains more level of moist conduct, so we keep it. So in this same process we are doing abhishekam for the lingu, but we do it in excess. Even Shiva don't like it. We do like it. We are wasting the milk. Everyone, some temples they are maintaining that they will only give the milk. One glass of milk, everyone will 10 rupees they will pay. One glass of milk they will take and go. They will do the abhishekam. What happens? It's excess of milk is wasted. It's very bad, I think. So do not waste the milk and products which bhakti is a little bit thing which to maintain, and do it in a perfect way. Do not waste the products. Everything we are taken coming and giving. If that's the same kind of this one, a person is suffering from he don't have clothes to wear, good clothes to wear, and he don't have food to eat, we will not give him. This is happening because Shiva don't like. Shiva is an ascetic. What you will give for him? Whatever you give, it's nothing to him because he is an ascetic. So guys, do bhakti in a good way. Do not